So we're just going to fill these in. S is our side, A is our angle. So SAS stands for side, angle, side. SSS stands for side, side, side. AAS is angle, angle, side. And this one is angle, side. Hold on, you're going a little too fast. All right, so real quick, you get 2 points apiece just for telling me that every S is side and every A is angle.
Right.
So everyone should be getting 1 through 4 completely correct tomorrow. Those are easy, easy points. All right. Now, you are asked if the parts are corresponding. So are angle T and angle P corresponding?
Well, no.
No. They're not marked the same. They're not in the same position. That's a no. What about angle S and angle N?
Yes.
That's a yes. Good. All right. Side
Yes.
NT and PM, that's a yes. SR and MN.
No.
That's all no. Okay? So to check if they're corresponding, you see if they're labeled the same and if they're congruent. Okay? If they're congruent, if they're labeled the same, if they're in the same position, it's a yes. If it's the long side and the little side or something like that, it's definitely a no. All right, questions 1 through 8. All right, go to the bottom of the front. Here we are going to just list the parts that are corresponding.
Can I do it?
Yes.
Number 9 is T.
Great.
10 R. 11 is 12 T R.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
13
whoa.
R.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, so XY goes with which one?
Huh?
What'd you get for 12?
T
TR,
R.
perfect. Okay. YZ,
R S.
RS, great. Make sure you're putting the symbols, the segment symbol, the angle symbols are there, but the segment symbols are not. All right, and the last one?
S T.
SX. Perfect. All right, so again, you're just matching up the parts that are marked congruent. We call those corresponding parts. All right, next page. 15. Again, if you want to label them like these angles match, these angles match, these sides match, what do we have?
Side, angle, side.
Got to go in order. The angles are next to each other.
Angle, side.
So angle, angle, side. Good. All right, number 16, we have side and side, angle and angle, side and side. So if you trace one of the triangles, what do you have? Side, angle, side. Good. All right, number 17. What am I looking at? All the sides. Side, side, side. Good. Number 18. The sides, angles, angles. Angle. Is the side in between the two angles or not?
No.
Not. So this is the angle, angle side. The side would have to be right here if we wanted angle, side, angle. All right, now these are overlapping, so we got to label the side. So that's a side and a side, right? Angle goes with angle, angle goes with angle. So if you focus on one triangle, is the side in between the angles? Yeah, so this is an angle, side angle. That's when the S goes in the middle. All right, number 20. Yep, here's the sides in the middle again. So this is another angle, side angle. All right, anyone think they know what 21 is? Oh, other one. These are all sides, right?
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, there is actually no angle, angle, angle in this chapter.
So what's in
All right, what about this one? Side angle side. Yeah.
Is it an A right there?
Yeah, that's an A because we got side and then the angle, then the side that they share. Or you can start at the side that they share, then the angle and the side. The important part is the angle is right in between the sides. Remember, if the angle's not in between the sides, if you have side-side angle, that's not, or angle side-side, that's not. All right, now on the back it's saying, if you want to use this, what do you still need? So if I want to use side, angle, side. So I have these sides, right?
Need another side.
Then I have these angles. I'm missing the sides. Everybody see that? For side, angle, side. Okay? So I would, you can't just label it, you have to actually explain. So WZ has to be congruent to YX. Now, there's actually two answers that work here. Some people might notice that Y and W are congruent to WY. You know, it's the same segment. And then you could talk about those angles. Like use these sides, then these angles, then the side. If you did it like that, just make sure you use the 3-letter approach for the angles. I think that one's a little trickier, so I'm not going to write it. But it is possible if you did it. All right, and then the last one, side, side, side. I have the sides. I have the sides.
FG.
So I need FG to be congruent to JK. Great. All right, this quiz is all we're doing tomorrow. So you saw how quickly we did this last review. That should be how quickly you can get the quiz done. So if you have other homework to bring, that'd be great. If you want to bring your headphones and listen to music when you're all done, that's fine too. I'm not going to start anything new before the 3-day weekend, so just come prepared for a little downtime.
Very good.